The recent news of Deepmind leaving Edmonton and Benevity laying off staff is troubling news. Entrepreneurs in the tech ecosystem are incredibly talented and have worked very hard over many years to get where we are today. We know there's much more we need to do, but credit for our successes to date falls squarely on the shoulders of our innovators and entrepreneurs. In 2017, our Alberta NDP government was proud to welcome Google's Deepmind research office to Edmonton to work in close collaboration with the University of Alberta. It was their first location outside of the UK and was the recognition of amazing work being done at Alberta's Machine Intelligence Institute, also known as AMI. This was a major achievement by Alberta's tech sector, and it sent a signal to the rest of the world that Alberta's is the place to be for artificial intelligence and machine learning research. But we knew we couldn't stop there. To build on this success, we launched a $100 million tech and AI strategy, implemented several tax credits to attract investment, and we were in the process of creating 3,000 new tech spaces in our post-secondaries province-wide. These policies were designed to drive innovation, to build a more resilient economy, and create good-paying careers. But in the UCP's first budget, they tossed all of this away. They cut several tax credits and cut 2/3 of the AI funding. They also made deep cuts to post-secondary funding and canceled 2,600 of the tech spaces of the 3,000 we committed. This led to chaos and instability in the sector. Deals fell apart. Companies like Wattpad decided to open new offices in Halifax instead of Calgary. Today, investment in Alberta's tech sector significantly lags behind BC, Ontario, and Quebec. We aren't even keeping pace on a per capita basis. Despite having about 11% of the country's population, we're on pace to attract 7% of venture capital investment this year. And as we head into 2023 under the UCP, Alberta's tech sector is losing even more ground. Just last week, Benevity announced it's laying off 14% of its staff in Calgary. Yesterday, we learned that Google's closing its Deepmind facility here in Edmonton and moving those jobs to Montreal and Toronto. It's a gut punch. As we face a potentially difficult period for this industry, I worry about our lack of competitiveness and that it'll mean less investment into our Alberta ecosystem at this crucial time. We must act now to restore our competitiveness.